Good afternoon and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here and run through the trade with you on this 29th day of August 2025. Hope you're well. The setup is this. We're going to go to our old favorite, which is the um, strong candle indicator. So I'm just looking for my, here we go. Strong candle indicator indicated by this green triangle. So we trade in the direction that the indicator says to trade. We're going to trade long here. Wait for a little bit of a pullback. We go ahead and put our order on out. We expect the next candle to be somewhere between 50 and 80 ticks long. We'll pair that with our ATM, use our standard 16, 30s, and 61 ATM. And we'll go ahead and put the order on now. Put the cover order on. If it retraces, which is already done, then we'll drop it down to the body of the candle. And this is what happened in the room today. Now, this candle was just as we came on the air. That we could have taken this one, but we weren't on the air yet. We just started, literally just started the live trading room. And this popped up and said, you know what, this is too good to resist. We'll go ahead and jump on it. So as soon as our first target gets hit, we're going to de-risk the trade completely. So we have a bit of risk right now, about 100 ticks. Not too much considering what the PVI is. So first target's out. We haven't quite gotten to our 17 tick. We need one more tick for the stop to be pushed up. There we go. So now we're de-risking the trade. We have no risk on the trade whatsoever. If this candle comes back and takes us out here, we have a chance to re-enter the trade if we desire to. So let's go ahead and speed this up somewhat. All right, so first and second targets are out. 16s and 30s are done. So we're 60 ticks ahead already. That's 300 US dollars. And we're going to see if we can double that right now. And it is, it goes out. All right, that trade is done and took, what, just over 2 minutes? We'll call it 2.5 minutes to complete and was worth 635 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 635 US dollars in 2.5 minutes, then come join us in the live trading room today. And you'll find us at samuraidaytrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. Come and join us. We have a lot of fun and we do really, really well. So God bless and we'll see you next time.